Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. If you're an avid follower of my channel, then you know I already changed the air filter on the Can Am in a previous video. So you were probably a little bit confused when you read the title of this video. When I was choosing what air filter to put on this Can Am in that last video, I decided to go with the OEM one, because the internet told me it was the best one for filtering and protecting your engine. What the internet didn't tell me is that the OEM filter is a pain in the ass to wash to the point where you basically cannot wash it at all. Now, I live in an area that's pretty wet, so whenever I take the ATV out, there's going to be mud and there's going to be water, and that will eventually get on the filter. Hell, it already did. My ATV went underwater the last ride out. So a filter that's washable is kind of important. That's why I'm swapping out that old filter, which I couldn't even clean, and putting in a K&N filter. I'm also adding in a Outerwears PreFilter, which I hear is very good, never used one before. The K&N air filter is a CM-8009, and the Outerwears PreFilter is a 2011-52, which actually is made for a Honda TRX 500 Rubicon, but it fits this filter perfect. The process itself is pretty simple, just a couple of hose clamps, one that holds the filter to the elbow, the other one that holds the elbow to the actual airbox. Then after that, there's 6 little metal clamps that hold the airbox closed, and that's pretty much it. So I'll speed this up a bit, put some music, and let you guys enjoy, and I'll get back to you at the end. And it's as simple as that. Once all the clips are on, You just got to put all the plastics back, and then that's it. You can turn it on. As always, if you enjoy this type of content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.